Okay, so today we're going to go through week 5 homework. So step 1 of week 5 was to create interface, the interface above named logger. So I went ahead and created that interface from package week 5 assignment OOP. And then the next step was to add 2 void methods to the logger interface below that both take a string type argument and are labeled as log and error. So you can see that's here below. So 1 and 2 is completed. Now I'm going to move on to 3B. So create a class named space logger that implements the logger interface. So that's what I did here. And then step 3A actually was create a class that implements the logger interface named asterisk logger. So that's what I did here above. After that, my step 4 is going to be the log method on asterisk logger should print out the string it receives between 3 asterisks on either side of the string. So I do system out print 3 asterisks and then add my log and then string. And then for my next one, step 5, the error method on the asterisk logger should print this string. It receives inside a box of asterisks with a string preceded by the words error. So I made the box of asterisks preceded by the word error, added in my error, and get that to print out. And then for my space logger, 3B, again, creating that space logger that implements the logger interface. Then for the log method, we're going to, I used this, essentially this method plus trim to create those spaces in between the letters. So it's asking to add spaces between each character, string arguments passed into its methods. I know we can do this with a loop, but I wanted to try this and it did work. Step 7, the error method should do the same, but with error preceding the spaced out input. So same thing with the error there as well. And then we move on to app, where that's step 9. You're making the public class app as the main method. Step 10 is you're instantiating an instance of each of your logger classes. You could really just like do one of these and then get rid of asterisks and replace it with space logger, and it would do the same thing. But so I did both, and then test both methods on the instances passing the strings of your choice. So we're going to go ahead and test the strings, and we get the expected results here. All right, thank you.